Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Tutorials 2K21. So today I'm going to start a new course in my channel, that is Android Studio. So Android Studio is a software which is used to build a mobile applications which is going to run in Android operating system. So that is of your Android mobiles. So before we are going to implement the programming part in Android Studio, we need to install that software in our laptop or desktop. So it's have some pre-requirement. So like we have a minimum of 4 GB RAM is required to run your Android applications, because otherwise the less RAM we have inside of your laptop or desktop, then when try to install this Android Studio, your system is going to be hanged. So the minimum requirements is we need at least 4 GB of internal RAM. So if it is good, it's more than 4 GB. So take that preconditions to install Android Studio. So go to Google and just type Android Studio. So now you can find out different links. Um, so these are different links we are finding for downloading an Android Studio. So just go with an official website, that is www.android.com developers. So just click on Android Studio. So now you can find out this is an official page for downloading an Android Studio. So you just click on download Android Studios. So now it will ask you to agree the terms and conditions. So you just click this checkbox and start downloading. So now you can find out that your system is going to download the latest version of an Android. You can find out here at the bottom of your laptop. You can find out the download link. So now you are finding that the file is 929 MB. So I'm using my Wi-Fi, so that you are finding that my file is downloaded very fast. So we'll wait for 1 more minute for taking this exe file to install. So after the Android is downloaded in your system, you can find out that exe file in your download folder. So don't disturb your system while it downloading. So it should be like 12 seconds. So it's almost, my file is downloaded. So now it is ready to use. Right, see here. So now you can find out your file is downloaded and it will be available in your download folder. So once it completely downloaded, then only you can see the option. So still it is processing. It's now you can find out the symbol, that is nothing but your file is downloaded. Now you go to view your exe file, it will be like this. So now you can see this is the latest version. So double click on this file. So that the setup will start very soon. So now you're finding on my desktop. So please wait while setup is loading. So the installer is going to verify the files. So no need to set any custom settings while installing your Android Studio. So you just follow the steps is given by Windows. So only the requirement is you have a proper internet connection, and everything will be taken care of by the system itself. So whatever the requirements is required for downloading or installing your Android, everything will take care. So you have to click on S here. So welcome to Android Studio setup. So you just click on next, and it will show you the path. Defaultly, it is going to be installed in your program files. So default drive it is going to take and it will install. So just click on next. So these are the things. So now it starts installation. So if you want to see what things is going to be happen, you just click on this show details. So it will show you what's happening at the time of this processing, right? You can see. So these many of files are downloaded, installed in your system. So now you're finding almost the installation process is completed. So you can see here setup was completed successfully, and you just click on next button. So it will ask you to finish. Click on this finish button. So now I'm going to open this Android Studio. So this is your Android Studio latest version icon. You just click on this. So here the version is Chipmunk. So this is the latest version. So we have to wait for few seconds for opening this application. So every time it will take some time because for building a project and everything it needs to download the dependencies. So definitely it will take the time. For open a file you have to wait. And my suggestions to all is, so when you open your Android Studio, it's better to make sure your mobile data is on and your system is connected with an internet, because every time it is going to be updated, the dependencies is required to run your application. So that's what the thing you have to remember. And now you can see here already I had this Android Studio previously in my desktop. So because of that reason it will show me all these things like the previously developed project. So if you are install this application first time in your laptop, so these things you cannot see. So just go to a new project. So now you can see once your Android Studio is installed, so then you click on this new project, you are going to see a different layouts. So these are different layouts. So we'll see in detail about what these layouts and how you're going to work with all these things to build a beautiful mobile applications. We'll see later.